Copyright page. Is it required for your Amazon KDP book? Let's break it down and build one together. Hi, I'm Matt from Publisher C, a place for Amazon KDP authors. In this video, I'll show you simple copyright page templates that you can copy and paste into your books. But first, the basics. Every book you create is automatically protected as your intellectual property, so copyright page isn't required. But if you include one in your book, it makes clear that your work is copyrightable. It also can add additional information such as ISBN number, disclaimers, or names of illustrators. And also it gives a bit more professional look to your book. And formatting of the copyright page is pretty straightforward. It is located right after the title page and before any dedication or table of contents. Typically aligned bottom left, but you can also align it at the center at the bottom of the page. This is also fine. And the font used here is usually smaller than the main content of your book. Now let's look at few different templates. The first one is shortest version. This is a minimal, it just contains copyright symbol, the year of first publication and author name. Also all rights reserved statement at the end. This is perfect for low content books. It can be centered at the bottom of the page. Next version is, let's say, basic. It also includes standard no reproduction notice. It just notes that no part of your book may be reproduced, distributed, or transmitted without your permission as the author. Next one is similar to our basic version, but it also includes additional optional fields such as ISBN number, cover designer, illustrator name, and also if your book is not a first edition, you can also include that information. A quick note that if you want to copy and paste these templates into your book, they are available in my free school community. In the classroom section, there's resource doc that contains multiple different free tools, links, and also there's a copyright page article with all the templates that I'm showing you today. You can copy and paste them directly to your book. Feel free to use them. We have two more templates to look at. First one is for non-fiction books. This is similar to previous template, but additionally it includes the disclaimer that this book is created for informational purposes only, and this is not intended as any professional legal advice. It's especially important if you are creating book that is related to health, finance, and other areas of life. And the last one, fiction books. The most important part here is disclaimer that all places, characters, events that are contained in this book are fictional, and the resemblance to real people or events or places is just coincidental. I hope it was helpful. Remember to join Publisher C community, links in the description below. See you there.